This isn't just a car. This is a rolling fortress. This is the beast, the presidential limousine. These lights mean move or else. See them flash? They're clearing the road. This is the urgency they create. Storm, snow, doesn't matter. The Cadillac Escalade powers through any weather. It moves quietly, but carries power. Let's break down this beast from every angle. The front grille commands attention with its bold presence. When this arrives, everything stops. Traffic clears, making way for true authority. This is where the most powerful man sits. Take a closer look at the presidential seating. Breathing clean air, no matter what. Advanced HEPA and active carbon filters capture pollutants, delivering pure air even in heavy traffic. Every second is coordinated. Eagle is secure, awaiting extraction.
Copy. Route is clear. Holding.
Confirmed. Precision is key. Once sealed, nothing gets in. Watch as the windows lock automatically. A truly secure luxury. Heavy, but incredibly fast. Whoa, look at that go! Every system has a backup. Here, the primary and backup systems switch seamlessly. This ensures complete reliability. Even the fuel tank is protected from explosions. This reinforced design contains any impact, ensuring maximum safety. Nothing escapes its vision. With 360 surveillance, every angle is covered. Our multi-view tech ensures total oversight. This isn't built like a car, it's built like a weapon. Military-level armor, layers of protection. This is next-level security. Hidden compartments you'll never notice. Right here, panels open subtly, perfect for classified storage. Hackers? Not a chance. Watch this hacking attempt get blocked by our GPS jamming protection. Safe and secure? That's Cadillac. If things go wrong, there's a plan. This Escalade is key. Watch the quick exit. One move and you're out. Total security. This car weighs as much as a tank. Watch the suspension handle the load. That's the kind of durability you need. This isn't just transport, it's power. Owning this car means you've arrived. It's a symbol of the influence and power you've earned. Even stopping is a strategy. Watch this precision stopping maneuver. It halts right on target every time. Only elite agents can drive this machine. It demands precision, evasive skills, and control. Master these, and you'll command any road. Even chemical attacks won't stop this ride. The interior remains unaffected. Inside, it's not just safe, it's presidential. Built to defeat long-range threats. You never know which car the president is in. We use identical decoys just like this. It's all about strategy. And this is just one car in a massive system. These escort vehicles support the lead car, moving in tight formation. This door weighs more than a bank vault. It's incredibly thick for protection. It keeps you safe in any situation. This car carries the president's blood type. In an emergency, this medical compartment provides immediate access to matching blood. Yes, this car may even be armed. Hidden compartments conceal classified defense systems. It's for high-stakes protection. Even if all tires are destroyed, it still drives. Even toxic air can't stop this vehicle. Let me show you our emergency oxygen supply system. It deploys automatically in emergencies. The president can see in total darkness. This night vision system uses thermal imaging for clear sight. It detects heat cutting through the dark. These windows, not even bullets can get through. See? Totally secure. This car is built to take a blast and keep moving. The blast-resistant design absorbs the shockwave, keeping everything stable. What if I told you this car can survive a battlefield? That's military-grade armor. A direct hit, barely a scratch. This formation is not random. The lead vehicle is first for scouting. Escorts flank and follow, while the protected vehicle stays central. Even fire can't stop this car, thanks to advanced fire-resistant materials. Watch it drive right through. Now you know the secrets they don't tell you. Subscribe now, because the next secret will blow your mind.